Here's a look at these iodine swabs and how to use them. They each come individually packaged like this. This red line right here has some instructions here on the back of the box. It says snap along the colored line. So this is the colored line right here. So you just give it a little snap like it says, just like that. And you can see the iodine starts to rush towards the other end of it. And then from here, you can just remove it, just like that right there. Grab it up out of here. There you can see it filled, it descended all the way and lubricated, I guess, filled up the other end of the swab. And now it's easy to apply. And you have a drier end over here if you need to clean up a little bit of a mess. So that's how those work. Pretty cool, super handy, especially how they each come individually packaged. Super easy to travel with and easy to access and use. So I think you'll be happy with these iodine swabs.